Over 50? Then this isn't just another workout video. This is a fork in the road. Right now, your body is quietly negotiating with time. Joints whisper instead of glide. Muscles don't show up unless invited. Balance isn't automatic anymore, it's earned. You can ignore it. Most people do. They sit more, move less, shrug when things start hurting. Or you can do something almost suspiciously simple. Because here's the truth, no one sells you. Staying strong after 50 doesn't require gyms, gadgets, or punishment workouts. It requires a relationship with a few basic movements, done often, done well. Just 3. Do them consistently, and you don't just exercise. You preserve independence. You protect confidence. You remind your body it still has a job to do. Let's start where strength usually begins, and where pride usually gets bruised. Push-ups. At first, they feel personal. You lower yourself down, and your arms start negotiating. Your core shakes. Your brain offers excuses. But push-ups are honest. They don't care about age. They respond only to effort. This single movement recruits your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. That's not just strength, that's coordination. And coordination is youth in disguise. More muscle means your body burns more energy doing nothing. Sitting, standing, existing. That's metabolism staying awake instead of going into early retirement. And here's the underrated part. Every push-up sends stress through your bones. The good kind. The kind that tells them, stay dense, stay strong. Do them clean. Hands slightly wider than shoulders. Lower yourself slowly, like you mean it. Press back up with control, not desperation. Too hard? Good. Adjust. Don't quit. Knees down. Hands elevated, pride intact. You don't need many. You need reps over time. And one day, you'll realize you don't struggle getting up off the floor anymore. That matters. Now let's talk about the muscles that keep you upright in the world. Squats. Squats aren't about legs. They're about life logistics. Getting out of chairs, climbing stairs, catching yourself when you misstep. When leg strength fades, independence follows quietly behind it. Squats load your quads, glutes, hips, and core, the engine room of aging well. They keep your gait confident and your balance trustworthy. And there's a hidden bonus most people don't expect. This movement nudges your body to release more growth hormone, naturally. That helps preserve muscle, manage fat, and keep tissues resilient. In plain terms, squats help you age with less drama. Do them right. Feet about shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting into an invisible chair. Chest tall. Core tight. Stand up by driving through your heels. No collapsing knees. No rushing. Start with 10. Not because 10 is magical, but because consistency is. A few weeks in, you'll notice something subtle. You move with less hesitation. Your legs feel reliable. That's not fitness. That's trust. Now for the quiet hero of the trio. The plank. The plank doesn't look impressive. No sweat theatrics, no mirrors required. But it's doing more than you think. Your core isn't just abs, it's your spine's bodyguard. When it weakens, back pain moves in rent-free. Posture collapses, energy leaks. Planks train everything from shoulders to feet to work as one unit. No shortcuts, no hiding. You hold, you breathe, you stay aligned. Forearms on the ground, body straight, no sagging, no mountain peaks. Squeeze your core like you're bracing for impact. Then breathe calmly anyway. Start with 30 seconds. Not heroic, just honest. Over time, you'll stand taller. Your back will complain less. And that stubborn midsection? It stops running the show. Because strength has a way of reorganizing things. The bigger picture. These 3 exercises won't just change how you look. They change how you operate. You get up easier. You move with purpose. You feel capable again. And that feeling? It spills into everything else. You don't need more exercises, you need fewer done faithfully. So if you're over 50, don't chase complexity. Choose consistency. 3 movements, a few minutes a day. A body that remembers how to work. Your future self is already grateful.